Complete guide for installing Apache Cassandra on a VPS server. Hey everyone, welcome back to Waxall. Today, we're jumping into something exciting, setting up Apache Cassandra on a VPS from scratch. If you've heard about Cassandra but aren't quite sure what it is or why it's so popular, you're in the right place. We'll go through everything step by step, explaining why Cassandra is a great choice, how it stacks up against other databases, and how you can install it yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully installed and running Cassandra database, ready to handle loads of data reliably and independently. Let's dive in and make it happen. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, we will explore what Cassandra is and discuss its key features, benefits, and reasons why it's a great choice for handling large-scale data. We'll cover the theoretical aspects that will give you a solid understanding of the database and its advantages. In the second part, we'll dive into the hands-on installation process of Apache Cassandra. If you're already familiar with Cassandra and just want to get started with the installation, feel free to jump directly to that section. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding Apache Cassandra. Exploring features and benefits. So, what is Apache Cassandra? Apache Cassandra is a NoSQL database, which means it stores data differently than traditional relational databases like MySQL. Instead of tables with rows and columns, Cassandra uses a flexible, scalable structure that can handle a large amount of data across multiple servers. This makes it particularly powerful for applications that need to manage lots of data reliably and efficiently. Cassandra is also open source, which means it's free to use. You can install it on any server you want and have complete control without paying for licenses. Plus, it's designed to be entirely independent, so you can run it on your own system without relying on a third party. This independence makes it a great option if you want to control every aspect of your database environment. Why choose Cassandra over other databases? When comparing Cassandra to other popular databases like Amazon DynamoDB or MongoDB, there are a few standout features. Cost-effectiveness. Since Cassandra is open source, it's free to use. This means you get a powerful database solution without the costs associated with some proprietary options like DynamoDB or MongoDB. With open source software, you don't pay licensing fees, and you have the flexibility to customize and manage your database as you wish. You can start small and expand as you grow, adding more servers easily without changing your data structure. Highlighted fact. One of the biggest reasons to choose Apache Cassandra over paid databases like DynamoDB or MongoDB is its superior scalability and fault tolerance for modern applications, absolutely free. Unlike MySQL, which was built with single-server, SQL-based applications in mind, Cassandra's NoSQL structure is specifically designed to handle massive amounts of data across multiple servers with zero downtime. This means as your app grows, Cassandra can scale with it easily, making it ideal for modern, distributed applications without the need for complex paid services or additional licensing fees. And, because it's open source, you maintain full control over your data and infrastructure. That wraps up our theoretical overview of Apache Cassandra. We've explored its architecture, its strengths, and what makes it a preferred database for handling large datasets in distributed environments. In the next video, we'll go hands-on with Cassandra and guide you through the installation process, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on our next steps. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.